Hi folks, just having a bit of a nap there. In trees. Suppose I better go and dig a bit of garlic up here. Well, hi folks, time to get the garlic up now I think. Got a bit of spare time. So I thought I might as well get it up because it's a right mess with the weeds. So once I get it all cleared, I can give it a good old weed in this bit. So we'll just see how good they are this year. So we'll just lift a few of these. What I like to do is, not a bad size, I like to put them in a big bucket of water for about 10-15 minutes just to give them a good clean off, clean some of the soil off, because my soil's quite clayey underneath and I don't really want to be drying them like this. So if you can hear the cows are interested. Now you know I said I've got pink root. Well, no, I was going to say it doesn't affect garlic, but it does affect garlic. That's got pink root, but as you can see, it doesn't affect the size. They're absolutely huge this year. So this is about the only little bit of digging this garden ever gets. And I've grown the garlic in the same spot for about 10 years, so none of this rotation practice for me. I would only do that if I got any pests and diseases, and I never get any pests and diseases with these garlic, so just grow them in the same soil because they seem to like it here. So not a bad size, about the same size as normal. So I'm just going to get a lot of these, chuck them in the water, give them a bit of a wash off, and then we'll see what we've got in the end. Well, right then folks, that's the garlic washed off now. As you can see, not a bad crop. Well, not a bad crop, good crop. Big, nice clean bulbs. So I'm pretty happy with those. So all I'll do with these now, I'll take them home, dry them somewhere nice and warm and airy, and then just leave them all to shrivel up, and then about Christmas time I'll probably chop the leaves off and store them, and that should be it. So anyway folks, that's about it. That's my garlic up. See you later. Ow! Things I do for fucking YouTube.